Whether you're brand new to credit, rebuilding credit, or pristine credit and financials, we all want the best outcomes when we apply for credit cards. With the advancements in banking and financial sector, there are multiple ways to apply for the same card you're interested in, but which will yield you the best results? Well, that's what I want to reveal to you in this video today. I want to give you a comprehensive breakdown as to which particular application method will get you the best results with banks and credit unions. You see, banks want to reach as many potential clients as they can, so they use technology and other means to cast a wide net around their potential prospects. But not all of these avenues are created equal. You want to reduce the bank's anxiety around fraud. Make sure you're picking the right card that will match your application data. Make sure you fill out the application properly. And then make sure you're not missing any additional details that could enhance your approval odds, limits, or the offers available on that particular card. So which are the primary ways to submit your application that will check all of these boxes and potentially more? But before I answer that for you, let me give you a little intro and a little context on the opportunity for you to support this channel and get a great return on your money at the same time. Check it out. Okay, before we get back on top, you have some excess capital that your bank's no longer paying you that same return on. Now the interest rates are down, and you're looking for a stable, purposeful, and profitable place to invest your money. What if I told you can support one of your favorite content creators while still earning a respectable return on your money? Yeah, that's right. The platform sponsoring this video is called Oversubscribe. It's a SEC-regulated platform that's connecting the audience and the creator like never before. It's an opportunity for you to invest in this channel and share in the profitability in this channel as it grows. There's no commitment right now, but there's a link in the description. You want to learn more? Fill out the quick form and let's get in motion. All right, so I don't want to keep you on any more suspense. The number one way for you to submit your credit card applications and likely get the best approval odds, the highest chance at the best limits, as well as the best offers available in many cases is going to be in branch. Now, before you go run off and schedule an appointment at your local branch and institution, let's talk about why this is so effective so you can maximize this going forward. So there's a handful of reasons why applying in branch can get you such great results with credit card applications. Now, I know there's some amazing bonus offers out there through referral links and other links that are available out there. And I also know that applying online can be really convenient. They got it to the point where you can apply right from your phone and get answers pretty quickly in many cases. But there's a few reasons why applying in branch will largely yield you the best results and kind of check off the most boxes when it comes to getting the best results applying for your credit card. The first is going to be applying in branch gives you the highest level of verification and authentication. As advanced as fraud detection technology is, you can not still beat human interaction when it comes to detecting fraud for a financial institution. You can only supplement or enhance that human experience with additional technologies in the background, but at the end of the day, it's just not possible currently to beat human to human interaction. A decent banker on top of all of the other technologies available behind them would be the bank's top guard dog when it comes to sniffing out BS. Fraud is always on the bank's most expensive list of losses, and it's also one of their top concerns at all times. So making sure that you provide the proper verification can pass authentication, especially doing it in branch on top of the other technologies that bank has in place to authenticate you, just really aids in your ability to look legitimate in the eyes of the bank when submitting your application. The next is going to be matching you with the right card. So I've covered this in the past, but every single card is designed with a specific archetype in mind. It's not a one-size-fits-all type of scenario. If you're brand new to credit and only have maybe a couple trade lines on your credit report, please don't think you're going to walk out of the bank with a $20,000 Chase Sapphire Reserve. If your credit is pristine and you have healthy credit report and income and DTI, then why in the hell would you sell yourself short with a Chase Slate? So it's really important for you to understand that you can get denied or end up with subpar limits just because your info doesn't fit the card that you're trying to apply for in the bank's eyes. So a good banker can help you do the due diligence in picking the right card. Third, this is going to be filling out that application properly. Banks, again, are terrified of fraud and they don't take chances with suspicions. It may not seem like a big deal to you, but forgetting to update your address or phone number, not documenting the right gross annual income, etc., can lead to suspicion and get you denied or, again, very low limits. A good banker will help you verify all of your information before you submit it in and make sure everything's up to date and correct. The last but not least, number 4 is going to be cross-selling opportunities. So a large portion portion of this channel's content has been dedicated to relationship banking. It's a relatively obscure financial topic that not many in the personal finance space cover when it comes to content creators and even other professionals, but I literally make it one of my bread and butter topics because it is such a powerful strategy to have great financial success in this economic system. When it comes to applying for credit cards and applying in branch, the last major reason banks prefer or incentivize in branch applications is the ability to find other opportunities with you. It's literally one of the major reasons branches still exist and in some cases are still expanding across the country. Sitting in front of a banker can let that banker and that bank institution have an opportunity to find out firsthand if there's other deposit account, investment related, or other lending opportunities available with you. So getting you in front of a banker for a credit card offers a great opportunity for that banker to evaluate the deepening of that relationship, and you should be evaluating it the same. Traditional banks are still going to take the lead in the financial market and the banking space for some time to come because there's just some things technology cannot replace, and that human interaction is one of the main components that I'm speaking of. This can lead to the opportunity of that banker discovering great opportunities for you to expand your banking relationship that actually fit for you without having to sell you a bunch of BS, and you to expand your banking relationship with this institution so your future credit card applications and any other, financial resources you take advantage of, you have a much lower path of resistance with that bank because you have an established banking relationship with them. And that banker is going to do the work. The decent ones, of course. There's always, low quality people in every profession, but a decent banker is literally paid outside of their salary or hourly wage by the deepening of relationships and expanding the bank's books. That's literally part of their payment plan, their incentive. So trust me, a decent banker is going to do the work. You need to go there with an open mind and prepare to grow that relationship to get the most out of that interaction. And of course, get the best results on your next credit card application. So next time you're in the market for a credit card, no matter where you are in your financial journey, if you want the best results, consider stopping into your branch and shaking hands with a banker or a manager and sit back and watch the magic happen. To all my pioneers, welcome back. To my new viewers, welcome in. I want each of you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Invest in this channel so this channel can continue to support and reinvest back into you. Speaking of investing, as you heard earlier in the video, there's an opportunity for you to support this channel directly and actually get a monetary return on that investment. You get to share in the revenue and profits of this channel as it grows by simply making a small investment in this channel. So I want you to check out the link in the description. It's no obligation, but when you fill out that information, you can document your investment level that you're interested in, and we can get you some more details. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, to all my pioneers, I want each of you to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.